Leibak asida karigumba lan thoklakpa matamda miyamna kari karamba cheksin thorang lawgani haiba adu mangjongna khanganabagi pandamda ngarang Thopalda Operation Abhyas ke Civil Defence Mock Drill ama pangthokre. Civil Defence Rule 1968 ki makhada Leibak sinba thungna chatharakliba mock drill adugi saruk ama oina District Administration Thopal na sinduna Chawyaima Higher Secondary School Ground Thopal da pangthokiba Civil Defence Mock Drill aduta maruoina air raid warning siren Police ki kuthangda public announcement lauthokpa fire engine siren blackout simulation search and rescue operation casualties evacuation amade Civil Defence Training na chingba pangthokhe mock drill aduga mari leinana Thoubal District ki ADM B location na hai pangthokliba mock drill ase leibak asida lal thoklagani natraga mafam asida langi chaitheng fanglagani haina pangthokpa natte karigumba lan thoklagati tangai fadana sigumba khangdraba yadraba sing ase miyamda khanghanabagi pandamda pangthokpani mock drill asida saruk yariba singna yumda hankraba tungda imung manunggi miyoi singdasu takpi tambiu haina mahakna makha takhi
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯣꯛ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯧꯅꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯟꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁꯇ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯣꯛ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ
Civil Defence Mock Drill aduda Thoubal District ki DC Thoubal Hanak Amai District Level Officer Singh Additional SP OPS Thoubal Additional SP LO Relief and Disaster Management Manipur ki Staff Singh Civil Defence ki Staff Singh Indian Red Cross Society Thoubal District Branch ke Thomi Singh su saruk yakhi